We're going to break down 22. What are the factors of 22? 2 and 11. So what are our prime factors?
11
2 times 2 times 11. What if I wrote 11 times 2 times 2? What if I put 2 times 11 times 2? Same thing. Good job. All right. Go ahead and do the next two. And we'll go over those. Just make sure you do your multiplication tables. And okay, and the 50 ends in a 0, so what two numbers do we know automatically just by looking at 50 are going to go into it? Good job. 5 and 10. You know right away that 5 and 10 are going to go into 50 because it ends in a 0. You guys know your divisibility rules?
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to remind yourself. I do too. The easy ones are always 2, 0, and 5.
5 and 0
Is that an even or odd number? An even number. So what do we know automatically, right? Doesn't that help?
Just to think about it.
You just have to think about it. Even number. So what do you know automatically goes into an even number?
5. 2.
What, you were right on both counts. But 2 is your prime. And you just said what other number goes into it?
5.
And what's 2 times 5?
10.
Okay, remember what I said. It's an even number. So what automatically always goes into an even number? 2 times what is 10? Look here. Got that down. Right. But what should that number be? Show me. Okay, good. All right, do this one, Evelyn. This number times this number is going to be this. So 2 times what? Good. Good, good, good. Good job. It's 2 times what is 10? Good. 30. 2, 4, 8, 10. Good. No, think. You did the same thing again. We know this is divisible by, yeah, you got it. Sometimes the thing about math is it takes one little mistake and the whole thing is wrong. Okay, let's do 50 together. We know that 50 is an even number, so what number is we know right off the top of our head is going to go into 50? I threw you, didn't I? And you're right, 5 and 10. But I did this one on purpose because there was 2 ways you could do this one.
So there's 2 ways.
Well, sometimes there's more than one. 2 times what is 50?
10. No. 10.
2 times what is 50?
25.
All right, 2 times 25 is 50. What are our factors of 25?
5 times 5.
5 times 5. So what are our prime factors of 50?
5, 5 and 2.
Did you guys come up with the same thing?
Yeah.
You came up with the same answer, but what did you do for this? You did.
For the first I put 5 in a square. It was 10. And then
You did 5 and 10, right?
Mhm.
And you can. There was 2 ways to do that one. And then you broke down your 10 to your 2 and your 5. So, but it came out the same. All right, let's do 20. What is your lowest common prime number, or your lowest prime number?
5 and 5. No, 4 and 5.
Okay, we got another one that we did differently.
I did 2 and 10.
Okay, let's do it Evelyn's way real quick. 5 and what, Evelyn?
And 4.
4. Okay, then we need to, what are our factors of 4?
2 and 2.
One day I'm going to get this. 2 and 2. Okay, how did you do it, Savannah?
I did 2.
You did 2
10.
and 10, and then when you broke it down, it was,
2 and 5.
is it the same? Mm-hmm. We have 5, 2 and 2, 5, 2 and 2. Just 2 different ways of doing it.
I did it.
Everybody, huh? How'd you do it? You did it Evelyn's way? You did it 2 and 10? Mm-hmm. How many did it Evelyn's way? How many did 2 and 10? And how many did it Savannah's way, 5 and 4? We're kind of split.
Split.
Okay.
2 and 10 and 5 and 4.
Flip your papers over. And you think you're confident enough to do a factor tree on your own? I think you can. I have faith in you. I do. I have faith in you.
And remember, our clock is off.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah.
class time will
Okay.
be over
All right, we're going to
soon.
do one factor tree before we run out of time. All right. Let's do a factor tree for
16.
okay, do it on your own on the back. Did you do it already? Oh, I know what I did. Yeah, he caught me. I wasn't even
Well,
thinking.
when you've taught it several times in one day, by the end of the day, you're making silly mistakes. At least we have this high-level group that's
No,
going
you
to
threw
correct
me
us
with-
when we
I forget
throw
about the
things off.
time.
I know.
do. I forget
And
about the time.
they're supposed to fix our clocks, so that's a big issue we're working
Okay,
on.
16. What are our factors of 16?
2 and 8.
Ah, and this is another one we could do 2 different ways. Okay, 2 and 8. And the thing about factor trees, what you want to do, it's going to come out